So now we are learning a subject that is known as, what is the object? Tuple object. We are trying to learn about it, right? So it is a tuple object. Now, first, how to define the tuple is using the regular brackets. The brackets are very important. If you are using square brackets, then it becomes what? List. If you use regular brackets, it becomes tuple. So to define the tuple, I am giving the name of the object as a underscore tuple. Here you can pass anything. For example, I am passing a 10, 10.33, let's say 20, let's say RAM. I'm passing something like that. I'm passing it. Now, if you go and try to execute and you try to see the values which are available, we're able to see all the data types it accepting. Though even in the list also it accepts all the data types, generally we'll go for one type of values in one list. That's how the business use case will be there. Okay, now I want to see what is the type of this object, whatever we are seeing it. Now it's showing as it's a tuple. Showing as it's a tuple. Okay, now the next point is, we know now how this tuple is working. How to unpack the tuple. Unpack tuple. Let's go try to unpack it. Unpacking is nothing but how many values are available, that many variables you have to map left side, so that respective positions will be taken by respective variables. I mean to say, we have here variables are 4. So I am trying to keep here a underscore tuple like this. Now you'll see a value is equal to how much? 10. B value is equal to 10.33. C value is equal to 20. D value is equal to RAM. We are seeing it. This concept is called as unpacking. This concept is called as unpacking. Reading items is same. Reading items is similar to string as well as, what is this? List. How we learn the reading of items in case of list and string, similar to that we are going to implement here. So now we have here a underscore tuple is this one. If I want to print here 10.33, if you want to print here 10.33, then what is the index of 10.33? The index number of 10.33 is, what is that? 1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So now we can say the index is 1. We have to pass here 1. Now we can see 10.33. It supports even slicing also. I mean to say a underscore tuple, then we are saying as 0 to 3. Now we are able to see 10, 10.33, 20. Start index is inclusive, end index is exclusive. So 0, 1, 2 we got it. 0 means this one, 1 and 2. That's how we are going to read it. However, the tuple object is immutable. Okay, tuple object is immutable. Tuple is immutable. As I said, it is a immutable. You cannot change any items. Suppose, can I replace 10.33 with, let's say, 25? That's what the question. Answer is no, right? Let's try that one. Let's say a underscore tuple. 10.33 means nothing but 1. That 1 I am trying to replace with 25. I am trying to replace it. So it says tuple object does not support item assignment. That's what it's called as immutable. We are not able to replace it. We are not able to replace it. So if you want to convert tuple into list. Convert tuple into list. Then also possible to convert it. For example, whatever now we have it that I am trying to convert into the list. A underscore tuple, whatever available to list, we are trying to convert it. For that we have to use the function list function. It's similar to the basic chapters we learned. Anything if you want to convert into the float, we used to use float function. Similarly, anything you want to convert into the integer, we are going to use int function. Similarly, anything you want to convert into the list, we are going to use list function. So we are using list function and we are trying to convert it. If you see now type of a underscore tuple to list, it shows as list. And I want to understand what is the values which are available. We are seeing the values like that. 10, 10.33, 20, then ROM, we are seeing it. That's how we are able to convert a tuple into the list, we are able to convert it. Am I clear? So we understand now how to define the tuple, those things. What is the use case? Where we are going to use this one? Where we are going to use this one? Starting from any language, it may be regular SQL functions also. If I say function that returns only one value, if I want to return multiple values, then what is the solution? If I want to return multiple values, what is the solution? Then we'll ask the machine to return the tuple. Tuple internally contains multiple values. So the tuple use case is using functions wherever we need the multiple values. Use inside functions to return multiple values. That is the only case where you are going to use this tuple. Or you want to pass a number of values. If you want to pass as a set, you can go and you can pass a tuple. But mostly we are going to use this for the use case. Okay? Yeah, please have a look on it and try to do the practice.